I definitely think the Canada side of the fall looks a lot better than
The American side?
American side.
They should just direct everyone to the Canada side. Hi, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Dora.
And we're Mr. and Mrs. K.
We're a couple from New York that started this channel in 2021 to share our travel, food, and experiences.
Follow us as we find new, interesting, and exciting things along the way. Boop, boop. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So this is 4th of July weekend. We had plans to go to Banff and had everything planned out, but we were unfortunate victims to the recent flight delays and cancellations.
So we didn't end up going to Banff. Long story short, our flight with WestJet was scheduled at departure at 5 p.m. and it was delayed. We were held at JFK about 3 hours on the plane, and then waiting and then on board at the second time just to find out that due to legal reasons they cannot fly. So we were essentially spending the whole day, I want to say about 7 to 8 hours at JFK, and then a flight canceled. After the unpleasant experience that we have, we decided to not go to Banff any longer. So we have a slight change of a plan to Toronto instead. We think we're probably not going to fly with WestJet for a pretty long time after the unpleasant experience that we had.
This was just such a tiring and frustrating day, but thank God for Amex for being able to cancel and dispute all these charges and getting our money back for the flight, hotel, and the car rental.
Anyhow, we're gonna change plan to Toronto now.
Just got to our hotel room. It's kind of late. But the room is kind of big. Good morning, folks. We just finished breakfast. It was a nice little sit-down breakfast. Now we're just gonna walk around the Niagara Falls area. Check-out time is around 11, so and right now it's about like 9:30. So we're just gonna walk around real quick. Yeah, kill some time. Yeah, enjoy some of this view.
I definitely think the Canada side of the fall looks a lot better than
The American side?
American side.
They should just direct everyone to the Canada side. We checked out and now we're heading to the Botanical Garden, which isn't far away. We just went along the falls. Anyway, we're at the Botanical Garden now, and it's really pretty.
It's really pretty, and it's emission free unless there's a butterfly conservatory that you want to go. But then the garden itself, it's really peaceful, really well maintained. So I think it's like a really nice area just to hang out, check it out, and walk a little bit.
Yeah, luckily the weather's nice too, so.
The trees here are like really well maintained.
Yeah, I'm actually really surprised. So
Look at that garden, like the gardening.
Right, the way they
They designed it.
Yeah.
That part, it looks like, it reminds me of like a tiny taste of Versailles. Like I could see a good wedding here too.
But
Let's go check it out inside.
Let's check it out.
roses are really amazing. Look at that. Whoa. And there's like different kinds too. I think we're in season for roses. Those are growing bunches. That one. And this one has like faded a little bit. It's like whitish in the middle and then dark outside. Not sure if this is rose. I don't think this. Oh, this is rose. Wow, this is like really pretty. It's like two. Wow. Those are interesting too. See, they're still growing, but they're kind of growing in like a small flower ball. Chinese restaurant. Got a noodle soup, comes with like intestine.
Yeah.
And Andrew is really hungry. He got a whole plate by himself, and I like to do this always. This is my hand, and this is the plate.
After checking in, we decided to go downtown to downtown Toronto just to walk around a little bit. We're just gonna be going to some of like the major sites like the CN Tower because Mom hasn't been there yet, and I think the Nathan Phillips Square. Just like real quick stuff, nothing too crazy. So our next stop is the best ice cream that we've ever had. And that's like no lie. I think one of the reasons why we decided to come to Toronto was because of this ice cream spot.
That was the only thing that I'm super looking forward to.
Yeah.
But the best Japanese ice cream, maybe. It's on my top 3 list.
For sure. That pretty much wraps up our eventful 48 hours, which originally started at the airport, heading to Banff, then brought us back home, and then making a very last minute change to Niagara Falls and Toronto. As always, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. We release videos every Thursday. So we'll see you next week.
Bye!
See you later, alligator.